Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about FM radio in Huawei and Honor smartphones. So basically guys, Huawei FM radio is a Huawei radio tool that you can use to tune into any radio station and listen to it on your Android. The simple interface means that it will only take you a few seconds to find and play your favorite stations on speaker or headphones. In Huawei FM radio, there is a circle in the middle of the screen that lets you choose the frequency you want to tune into. Just swipe the edge of the ring to increase or decrease the megahertz. There is also the off-on button at the bottom of the screen. Huawei FM radio has the essential features for listening to the radio on a Huawei device, just like the good old days. All you have to do is set the frequency you want to and save stations to customize list without any extra features. Like this, you will always have something to listen to even if you don't have any music on a device. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.